Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're looking for a simple way to add a smart AI chatbot to your Shopify store, one that can help visitors, boost engagement, and even drive more sales, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up the Jotform AI Chatbot on Shopify, so your online shop gets an instant, friendly virtual assistant working round the clock. Let's jump right in and get your AI agent up and running. First, head over to the search bar in your Shopify admin. Type Jotform, and you'll see a list of results pop up. You want to look for Jotform AI Chatbot and Live Chat. Now, select that option and hit Install. Shopify will guide you through the installation steps. It's usually quick and pretty straightforward, but if you see any prompts or permissions, just approve them. This part might take a few moments while everything loads, so don't worry if it's not instant. Once that's set up, you'll need to log into your existing Jotform account. If you don't have one, Jotform makes it easy to sign up right from the install screen. Your Jotform account will be the dashboard where you manage and customize your chatbot. It's like the command center for your virtual agent. Now for the fun part, creating your new AI chatbot. On your Jotform dashboard, find the option to create a new AI chatbot. You'll be prompted with several use case selections. Here's where you customize what your chatbot can do. Options like product discovery, customer support, order management, and engagement and upsell. I recommend checking all of these boxes, especially if you want your chatbot to help out with everything from answering product questions to handling orders and encouraging customers to explore more items. Think of these as skills you're giving your assistant. The more you enable, the more helpful and versatile it'll be on your site. Next, you'll notice there's a default description for your AI chatbot. This is basically the little "Hello, I'm here to help" message that greets your online visitors. You can leave this as is, but I suggest personalizing it. Maybe you want something friendly like, "Hi, I'm your virtual shopping assistant. Ask me anything about our products or your order." Or if you have a specific brand voice, tweak the message to match your style. It's the first impression, so make it count. Once you're happy with your greeting, click Create AI Chatbot. Now, it's time to get creative and really tailor the look and feel of your bot. You'll be able to choose an avatar. Think of this as the face of your assistant. Pick something that matches your brand vibe, whether it's professional, quirky, or friendly. After you pick an avatar, dive into those customization options. Adjust your agent's style, set up responses, and even train your bot by providing common questions and answers. If you're not sure what customers might ask, take a look at your most frequent support emails for inspiration. Remember, you want this bot to feel helpful and on-brand, so take your time playing with these settings. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with how your chatbot sounds and acts, all that's left is to hit publish. That's it. Your AI agent is now live and ready to assist shoppers right on your Shopify store. Don't worry if you want to make tweaks later. You can always go back and adjust your settings in Jotform. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. If you enjoyed this video and want more Shopify tips and tutorials, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new AI-powered shop assistant.